This is my 2006 Honda Civic Si. I've recently ran into the issue with my key lock quit working, and I opened the door through the sunroof and it set off my alarm, and I've been dealing with it for 2 days now, and there's no other way to reset it other than with the key. But I ran into a little trick. When you come in here after the whole door panel and everything's off, there's a 10 mil that you remove. I already got it off. But when you have it locked, you turn it to the right, it unlocks it. And it resets the alarm without using the key.